In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Stremio on your Android phone. This one's about as simple as installs get, and in most cases, you'll be up and running in under a minute. Let's dive right in. Option A. Install it from the Google Play Store. This is going to be your go-to method almost every time. Open up the Play Store on your phone, tap into the search bar, and type in Stremio. Look for the official app, published by SmartCode Ltd, and you'll usually spot it by the little purple diamond icon next to the name. Once you've found it, go ahead and tap Install and just let it download. When it's finished, open the app up and either log in if you already have a Stremio account, or create a free one right there if this is your first time. That's genuinely it. Going through the Play Store means you'll also get automatic updates going forward, so you never have to think about it again. Option B. Stremio isn't showing up in your Play Store. This can happen occasionally since the app has had a few brief removals in the past, so don't panic if you search and come up empty. Simply open your phone's browser and head to Stremio.com. Then look for the download section and select the option for Android. You'll see a couple of app choices there. For the vast majority of phones made in the last several years, you'll want the ARM version, so go ahead and tap that one. Before it'll let you install, your phone will likely ask you to allow installs from this source, so just confirm that when prompted. Once the file finishes downloading, tap on it and follow through the install screen. Whichever path you took, open Stremio once it's installed and sign in with your account. Everything, add-ons included, should sync automatically if you've used Stremio anywhere else before. One small thing worth knowing: if you ever run into an add-on that won't install properly through the phone app, it's usually easiest to add it through Stremio's desktop app or the web version instead, since they all sync together automatically and it tends to sort itself out. And that's really all there is to it: a search, a tap, and a sign-in, and you've got Stremio ready to go on your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.